Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we're talking about how to get rid of a dark elbow. This is an extremely herbal method, so there's no ingredients that are toxic to your body or anything of that form. So if you'd like to know how to get rid of your dark elbows at home, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, there are many reasons why dark elbows do occur on your body. As you can see, this is an area that we don't normally look at. So this area is accumulated by a lot of dead skin cells. So if you don't take care of your elbows and do wraps as well as exfoliate this area, it's going to accumulate and eventually it's going to turn black. So in order for your elbows not to turn black and for your elbow to be the same color as of your skin, you really need to exfoliate it all the time. Also do treatments on your elbows. Your elbow is a very underrated body part because nobody takes care of it, nobody looks at it. It's not in front of your face, so we don't really take care of it because we don't really see it, and we only realize that we do have dark elbows when it is absolutely too late. So there are many reasons why we do have dark elbows. Number one is dead skin cells, and number two is post-pregnancy. Number three is not taking care of them. Number four is if you have any skin conditions, and number five is if you are overweight. Number six is not eating healthy, and number seven, not drinking enough water. Remember, what you feed your body on the inside is going to be showing on the outside. Also, areas like this you don't expect to be affected, but it actually does affect these type of areas because these are areas that are joint. So these areas have joint areas, so they need to be taken care of. You need to moisturize it all the time. So not moisturizing your elbows also play a very important part. So today guys, I'm going to be throwing you an extremely easy method. This is a very herbal method. I did not add in anything acidic or anything that's going to damage your skin any further. So today we are going to be playing around with some turmeric. So I have some turmeric right here, and I have some water in the next cup. So it's 1 teaspoon of turmeric into a mixture that is a little bit runny. So guys, here is my mixture. It's extremely runny. You don't have to make it this runny like mine, but I prefer my mixture runny. Use a brush, and thereafter just go in and apply this very gently. Turmeric is something that helps with anything in terms of skin lightening. Turmeric has properties that just aid in lightening any type of skin condition, whether it be your neck, your teeth, anything of that sort. Turmeric is the number one thing that you should be using. So this we're going to leave for approximately 5 to 10 minutes onto our skin, and then we're going to rub it off. You don't wash this, you rub it off. Your elbow will be stained for a day or two, but that's okay because this is the result of the turmeric onto your skin. But it's just making sure that your skin is lightened. In the long run, if you do not take care of your elbows, if you do not exfoliate your elbows, you will suffer with this condition throughout. You just need to keep on taking care of your elbows. Yes, this will burn. Right now it's giving me a sting. It will burn, but it'll just last for a few minutes. Also guys, you need to moisturize your elbows. When you're rubbing cream on your hands, make sure you go into these areas here and just nurture them, moisturize them, treat them like a baby skin. This area of the is a bit hardish, so they need to be treated properly in order to become smooth and soft as your arm itself. So guys, if methods like these and hacks like these aren't working for you, I suggest you go and see a doctor, as well as take some vitamins. I'm not going to prescribe you any vitamins or tell you about any vitamins. I suggest you go to a doctor and ask for help, and I'm sure they will definitely help you. So guys, just for the record, if you're suffering from a dark neck, dark teeth, dark mouth areas, dark nose areas like me, take turmeric and just apply it with some water or some milk. Anything works. Turmeric works with water or milk. Lemon juice is a little bit acidic, so I don't suggest you use it on your body if you're not prepared to experience a burn onto your body. Also, don't go in with the thin areas of your body and apply any lime juice. It's going to burn like hell. So try and refrain from these type of methods on your face, on your hands, or any other part of your body if you are not one that can stick any form of pain or any sting. Also, it may just aggravate it, you don't know, so just be careful. Guys, with this method I suggest you do a test patch before you do this. So try out a little small patch some part of your body where you don't actually see it, so in case you flare up, you know that that part of your body isn't actually showing. So guys, as you can see, this is a little dry, so I don't want my skin to be too stained, so I'm just going to just rub this out now. So this is going to act as some form of exfoliation onto your hand, and you can now go and wash this off. So guys, I'm back. My elbow is a little bit stained, but as you can see, it is a whole lot lighter as compared to this elbow. Guys, I just want to say that this isn't going to work the first time you actually do it. You need to keep on doing it on a regular basis. So once or twice a week is advisable. Don't do this every single day because you will damage your skin. This is skin. This is not anything hard. So if you keep on putting turmeric every day, you are going to flare up, or you either going to damage your skin. So make sure you do this once or twice a week. Don't go anything more than that. Even if your elbow is really dark, that's okay. So guys, all I can say is that try this method out. Also, don't expect results very soon. Expect results maybe in 1 to 2 months. This is not going to be an overnight remedy. Yes, it will help you, but also you need to make sure that you're doing it regularly. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.